Good morning. Today we are going to read about solution. Solution may be simply defined as the homogeneous mixture prepared by dissolving a solute in a solvent is called solution. It means when we dissolve a solute into a solvent, it is called solution. It is a homogeneous mixture. It means the solute is evenly distributed throughout the solution evenly. For example, sugar water solution and sherbet, copper sulfate water solution, lemonade water, lemon juice mixture, soda water, a solution of carbon dioxide in water, cold drinks, pure air is also considered a solution. A solution is called true solution because substances get mixed completely in the solvent. A solution is called true solution because dissolved substance is evenly completely mixed with the solvent. It is also called molecular solution. Molecular solution means the solution in which molecules of solute are completely dissolved in a solution. For example, sugar water solution. In this solution, sugar molecules are spread throughout the water evenly. Alloys. Alloys are also called solutions because in the alloys, metal or metal non-metals are mixed evenly throughout the mass. Now, types of solution on the basis of solvent. On the basis of solvent taken, we classify the solutions in two types: aqueous solution. The solution prepared in water are called aqueous solution. Example: sugar water solution, alcohol water solution, and so on. Non-aqueous solution. Non-aqueous solution. The solution prepared in organic solvents. When we prepare a solution in organic liquid, organic solvent, then it is called non-aqueous solution. For example, solution of KOI and CCl4, or solution prepared by dissolving organic compound in carbon tetrachloride or alcohol. On the basis of solvent, solutions are of two types. A solution. Now, properties. A solution is a homogeneous mixture. It means solute particles are equally spread throughout the mass. The size of solute particle is less than 1 nanometer, that is 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Particles of solution cannot be seen. We can't see particles of solute by naked eye or even with the help of microscope. Particles of solution, I mean here to say that the particles of solution, I mean solute particles, cannot be separated by filtration process, that is by using filter paper, because size of solute particle is much less than the mesh, the holes of the filter paper. Solution is quite stable. It means when we keep a solution undisturbed for some time, no solid mass is visible at the bottom. It means it remains stable completely. A solution does not scatter light rays. It means it does not show Tyndall effect, because the size of solute particles is less than the wavelength range of the visible light. Here there are a number of solutions, solid solutions, when solute and solvent both are solid. For example, LY, solid liquid solution, water sugar solution. Water is here solvent and sugar is solute. Liquid solution, alcohol water solution. It means here solute and solvent both are liquids. Solution, gas liquid solution. It means solute is gas and solvent is water, that is soda water. In soda water, carbon dioxide is dissolved in liquid. Gas solution, when solute and solvent both are gases. Here is the example of this type of solution. Now in next video we will discuss about the concentration of solution. Thanks.